Why an offsite retreat? Why not just use the corporate communications room or the conference room? And most people are going to tell you that the reason that you don't want to do that is because you get offsite so the phone doesn't ring and you're not going to be interrupted by employees coming in and doing those sorts of things. But I think there's more reasons than that. And I think the better reason is it because it helps limit the power dynamics. So in a typical strategic planning session, if folks are talking about whatever they're talking about, and the boss ends up saying something, let's just use colors. Let's say, let's make the logo blue. The rest of the group, all the VPs and all the directors will start talking about shades of blue. Should it be turquoise? Should it be navy blue? Should it be light blue? So we anchor on what the boss says. So when you go to an offsite retreat, you can eliminate those power structures so that more people can have their voice. The boss is just another player within the room. So the reason for an offsite retreat is, yes, you're going to get much more privacy, but you're going to create a lot more synergy as well.